So recently we invested in a new camera and it's not cheap. So that is why today we are going to talk about camera care. What's up guys, my name is Linda of Unit A Creatives, and today in Buhay Photographer, we will be giving you tips that will help you secure and take care of your camera. Cameras can be sturdy but have parts that are fragile and will need extra care. Buying one will cost you, and so will repairs and part replacements. We learned that the hard way, but hopefully you don't have to. So here are 5 tips that will help you secure your gears. Okay, so first one. Invest in physical protection. There are a lot of accessories out there that will help your camera take cover. You spent a lot of money to buy your camera. As it has value, it is only logical to spend a little more for its protection. Number 2. Know the limits of your camera. Some are built as weather sealed, while some are extra fragile. If you know that, then you will be more conscious of your shooting environments. Number 3. Keep your camera clean. Before and after the shoot, make sure that you wipe your camera with a dry cloth to keep the bugs and moisture away. These are the most common cases that we dealt with. Number 4. Have a proper storage. Hard cases and dry boxes are both recommended. But if that is too much for you, a padded bag will do. Just make sure you keep it in a space that is far away from movement or the living area where it can be accidentally moved and toppled over. Number 5. Keep your hands clean and dry before handling your camera. This will help you keep a clean and dry camera. So there you have it. These things may sound very basic, but these are the things you should never forget. You don't want to lose or break your main weapon when you are in this industry. Once again, my name is Linda of Unit A Creatives. Hit the subscribe button, click the bell, and tell your friends about us. And we will see you in the next episode of Buhay Photographer.